Okay, am I doing this wrong? Like, what is going on? Okay, so, press that in, right? Wait, press it in, press that in, and then, okay, and then, whoops, and then I slightly, any pressure, like the slightest pressure, and it just comes undone. Is that normal? I mean, is that what it's supposed to do? Like it just, is that safe? I don't know.
I have to put this back on, but this fell off. It's not even glued on. Simply just because I removed this very gently because my newer model is all broken too. So I was trying to be careful with this one. Same thing, there's already a crack forming, and this one already fell off.